Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to solve the simultaneous equation by cross multiplication method. In my previous videos, we have seen by substitution method and by elimination method. So if you want to watch that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. So now let's see cross multiplication method. You have two linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then you can solve for x and y by using this formula. This diagram will help you in remembering this formula. So we have x, y and 1, here b1, c1, a1 and b1, which is nothing but the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and constant term of equation 1, right? And we have b2, c2, a2, b2, which is nothing but the coefficient of x, y and the constant term of the equation 2. So our formula is x by b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1, which is equal to y by c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1, which is equal to 1 by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. So if you remember this diagram, then it will be easy for you to write the formula. We will see this in the problem. Now let's see this. Solve the system of equations x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0 by using the method of cross multiplication. First, let's write these two equations. We have x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0, right? Make sure your equations are in standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the given equations are in standard form, right? So here for equation 1, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to 1. For equation 2, a2 is equal to 2 and b2 is equal to minus 3 and your c2 is minus 12. From the diagram we know x, y and 1. So your b1 is 2 and your c1 is 1 and your a1 is 1 and your b1 is 2, right? For equation 2, b2 is minus 3 and your c2 is minus 12 and your a2 is 2 and your b2 is minus 3, right? So now you have to multiply in this way. That is, we have x by plus into minus is minus, 2 into 12 is 24, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, which is equal to y by 1 into 2 is 2 minus 12 into 1 is minus 12, right? Which is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Right? So now let me continue here. We have x by minus 24, minus of minus is plus 3, which is equal to y by 2 minus of minus is plus 12, which is equal to 1 by minus 3 into minus into plus is minus, so minus 4, right? So x by minus 24 plus 3 is minus 21, which is equal to y by 12 plus 2 is 14, which is equal to 1 by minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So now let's take these two equations. So we have x by minus 21 is equal to 1 by minus 7, which implies x is equal to minus 21 by minus 7, which is equal to 7 1s are, 7 3s are, minus and minus will go, so you will remain with plus 3, right? So your x is plus 3. And now if you take these two equations, we have y by 14, which is equal to 1 by minus 7, which implies y is equal to 14 by minus 7. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. We are left with minus 2. So your y value is minus 2. So this is how you find the values for x and y by cross multiplication method. Now let's see another example. So now let's see this example. We have two equations. We have to solve for x and y by cross multiplication method. The two equations are 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7 and 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 17. Now if you see these two equations, 1 by x and 1 by y are present in both the equations, right? So let's take 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So our equation will be u plus v and bring this 7 to the left hand side, that is minus 7, which is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the standard form, right? Let's take this equation as 1. Our equation 2 will be 2 into 1 by x is u plus 3 into 1 by y is v. Now bring this 17 to the left hand side, that is minus 17, which is equal to 0, right? Now both the equations are in standard form. So from the diagram we know, here the variables are u and v, right? So you have to write u, v and 1. So here b1 is 1 and your c1 is minus 7, a1 is 1 and your b1 is 1, right? And for equation 2, your b2 is 3 and your c2 is minus 17 and your a2 is 2 and your b2 is 3, right? So now you have to multiply in this way. So we have u by 1 into minus 17 is minus 17 minus 7 into 3 is 7 3s are 21 minus 21, right? So which is equal to v by minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. So minus 17 into 1 is minus 17, right? Which is equal to 1 by 1 into 3 is 3 minus 2 ones are 2. So we have u by minus 17, minus of minus is plus 21, which is equal to v by minus 14, minus of minus is plus 17, which is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 is 1. So let me continue here. So u by minus 17 plus 21 will give you 4, right? Which is equal to v by minus 14 plus 17 will give you 3, which is equal to 1 by 1. Now let's take these two equations first. So u by 4 is equal to 1 by 1, which implies u is equal to 4 by 1 is 4, right? But we have taken u as 1 by x. So here 1 by x is equal to 4, which implies x is equal to 1 by 4. Bringing x to the other side and 4 to the denominator. So your x is 1 by 4. So now let's take these two equations. So here v by 3 is equal to 1, which implies v is equal to 3. But we know we have taken v is equal to 1 by y, which 1 by y is 3, which implies y is equal to 1 by 3. So our x and y are 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Now let's see one more example. We have two equations, 2ax plus 3by is equal to a plus 2b and 3ax plus 2by is equal to 2a plus b. You have to solve for x and y by cross multiplication method. Now don't get worried by seeing these equations. Just follow this step and you will get the output. So let's do it. First let's write this in the standard form. So we have 2ax plus 3by minus a plus 2b, which is equal to 0, right? So we have 3ax plus 2by minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So here a1 is 2a, right? This is your variable x. So b1 is 3b and your c1 is the whole term which is a constant, right? So it's minus a plus 2b. So a2 is 3a, b2 is 2b and your c2 is minus 2a plus b, right? So now we know the diagram, that is x, y and 1. So your b1 is 3b, c1 is minus a plus 2b and your a1 is 2a and your b1 is 3b, right? And for equation 2, we have b2 is 2b and your c2 is minus 2a plus b and your a2 is 3a and your b2 is 2b, right? So now let's multiply this. So we know x by 3b plus into minus is minus 3b into 2a plus b minus plus into minus is minus, right, 2b into a plus 2b, right, which is equal to y by minus into plus is minus 3a into a plus 2b, so minus into plus is minus 2a plus b into 2a, so 2a into 2a plus b, right, which is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4ab, a into b is ab, right, so minus 3 3s are 9, a into b is ab, so 9ab, right. So let me continue here. So we have x by minus 3 into 2 is 6, a into b is ab, right, so minus 6ab, minus into plus is minus 3b into b is 3b square, right, and we have minus into minus is plus 2b into a is 2ab, so 2b into 2b is 2 2s are 4b square, right, plus 4b square. Y by minus 3a into a is minus 3a square plus minus into plus is minus, so minus 3 2s are 6ab, right, so 6ab. So we will open this bracket, that is minus into minus is plus, so we have plus here, so 2a into 2a is 4a square, we have already taken this minus out, so 2a into b is plus 2ab, right, which is equal to 1 by 4ab minus 9ab is minus 5ab, right. So we will take these two equations first. So we have x by minus 6ab plus 2ab will give you minus 4ab, right. So minus 3b square and plus b square will give you plus 1b square, right, which is equal to 1 by minus 5ab, which implies x is equal to, this whole term will go to numerator, so we have minus 4ab plus b square by minus 5ab, right. So when you keep minus b outside, you are left with 4a, here minus is outside, so here it's minus, so minus of minus is plus, right. So 1b is outside, so left with b by minus 5ab, so your minus will be gone, b is also gone, so we are left with 4a minus b by 5a. So your x is 4a minus b by 5a. Similarly, when you take these two equations, we have y by minus 3a square plus 4a square will be plus a square, right? So minus 6ab plus 2ab is minus 4ab, right? Which is equal to 1 by minus 5ab, right? Which implies y is equal to, this whole term will go to numerator, that is a square minus 4ab by minus 5ab, right? Here a is common, so keep minus a outside. So minus a, we are left with minus a plus 4b by minus 5ab. Here minus minus is gone, so a is also gone, so your y is 4b minus a by 5b. So y is 4b minus a by 5b. These are your x and y values. This is it in this video. I hope you understood how to solve for x and y by cross multiplication method. If you did, hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.